Hello, welcome to the Cat Mouse Cooking Show. Today we'll be making spaghetti. I'm your host, Andy.
And I'm your host, Katie.
She's cutting the tomato can.
That was hard.
She's still at it. See, the trick to chopping onions is that you want to leave the basil root on so that the juices don't get released and so you don't end up crying. Wash your hands because that onion will make you cry. I get some bacon and chop it into bacon sections. My grandma always said. Oh. Okay, stop falling. Look at how beautiful that thing is. So now what you want to do is just get pretty decent sized cuts. And so now you have all these sections, and this will be saved for later. Now, we're gonna crank up the heat. And now, we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil and fill the pan up to, like, you can't see the bottom. Oh wow, that's a lot. Alright. I'm gonna stop right there with the amount of olive oil. Soon, we will add the onion into the olive oil to brown.
There are the onions.
There it is. I'm gonna smash this. It's disgusting. Oh, yeah, like that. It sounds like when you're killing a cockroach.
What is that?
Yeah. It's garlic juice. Oh gosh. Okay. All right, here we go. Frying the onions. Oh god, what a violent chemical reaction between water and onions. All right, cap that shit, please. Wait, open up. Wait. Okay. We're gonna stir-sting this. Wow, that's a lot of olive oil. And just keep letting that happen until they become nice and tender. Add salt. That's a lot of salt. Wait, where's the pepper? Mom! Where's the pepper? Do you smell that, camera lady woman? Yeah. Now, we're gonna go ahead, and this is probably gonna explode, so... No, you need to do the cover! Oh shit.
Why are you bringing it
I'm
closer
gonna
to me?
add this in, Mom.
Don't film me, just my hand.
Oh, she is intense woman. Yup. That's how you do it. Bring your mom into the mix, I always say. Ran into a slight issue. Didn't have a corkscrew from some godforsaken reason. But YouTube saves the day. And the serrated knife, and the wrench, and the cat's advice on leaving the wrench closer to the cork. And now this is taking much longer, but we'll get to the bottom of this yet. Oh. Ah! There we are! So now we get the red wine. Turn up the fire again. Now we get the red wine and just Or I think you put a lot. Okay, there we go. That's probably good.
You think you put a lot. We're a great cooking show,
You didn't hear that. Oh. Don't. This is not. Okay, so this is the part where. Oh god. I'm just gonna pour it in, ready? And clean out the can in the process. Notice the lovely cat agrees. Okay, that's it. No more. And just take a swig of this. And we're just gonna let that reduce for a good 5 to 10 minutes or so, something like that. I don't know, I'm not a cook. But, and we'll be right back. Look at that, buble away, Michael Bublé. And just add a generous dash of Italian seasoning, oregano, and rosemary and such. And we're also gonna add some brown sugar to blow up this damn thing. Yeehaw, SpaghettiOs. Here we go. Let's add a little more. Yeah, that's probably good. Keep in mind, this is an extremely precise and meticulous procedure. You must follow every detail to the T, otherwise it will not turn out as perfect as mine. Ours. Now we're gonna separate these little pieces of resistance and throw them into the mix. Yeah. And don't tamper with them too much. Just let them sit there and bathe however the hell they like. Oh yeah, that looks good. That sure smells good, cause don't feel. Oh yeah. What do you have to say about this, Cat? Miss Everdeen?
It looks good.
Cooking the noodles. Noodles. Angel hair noodles. Now for the feline taste test.
Uh-huh. That sure is good.
Dance break. Cornstarch thickening for gravyish sauce. Yeah, cool. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, that's thickening it. And now we are ready. Angel hair pasta at the ready. And then the sauce. Oh, you see that? Oh, that bacon. Okay, taste test, Cat at the ready.
I thought you were tasting it with me.
Yeah, I am, but then you first.
You're missing.
Yeah.
No, damn it. So, you know,
Great concept.
not a great concept, but you know, it was pretty cool. And now, you know, the master is fixing it up. Attempting to salvage the shipwreck, but you know, right now, it's looking pretty good. You know, went from a 2 out of 10 to easily a 5 out of 10. You know, we had a lot of fun here at the Cat Mouse cooking show, but I think the real lesson to take away from this is the bacon saves the day. See you later, kids.